In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use SendPulse's free email verifier. This powerful tool is perfect for ensuring the email addresses you have on file are accurate and active, helping you optimize your email marketing efforts. Let's dive in and learn how to navigate this feature with ease. First, you'll want to log into your SendPulse account if you haven't already done so. Simply head over to the SendPulse website and enter your credentials to sign in. Once you're in, you'll be greeted with the main dashboard. From here, you'll need to unlock the email section. Navigate to this area by clicking on Email in the main menu. Here you'll find the email verification option waiting for you. Go ahead and click on it to get started on your verification journey. Now it's time to choose what you want to verify. SendPulse offers you a few different routes, depending on your needs. If you have a particular email address in mind, you can use the single email address option to check the validity of just that one. Alternatively, if you've got an existing mailing list that you've already stored within SendPulse, the tool can handle verifying every address on that list. Finally, if you have a list sitting on your computer, you can opt for the file upload feature. It's quite versatile, supporting TXT, CSV, XLS, and XLSX file formats, so you can effortlessly use the file type you're most comfortable with. For those of you interested in verifying a single email address, the process is incredibly straightforward. Begin by clicking on New Verification. This will prompt a menu where you should select Verify Email. At this point, you'll want to carefully type in the email address you're concerned about. Double check for any typos, as accuracy is key here. Once you're confident the address is correct, hit the Verify button. After clicking Verify, all you need to do is sit back and wait. The verification process should only take a few moments as SendPulse does its magic, checking the address against its database and performing intricate validations. Soon enough, you'll receive a result, indicating whether the email address is valid and ready to receive emails, or if it's inactive or incorrect. And that's all there is to it. With this guide, you're well equipped to utilize SendPulse's email verifier to its fullest, allowing you to maintain a clean, efficient, and effective email contact list. Make sure to revisit this process regularly to keep your lists in top shape, preventing any potential bounce backs or erroneous sends. Thank you for tuning in, and happy